So we're gonna make some fresh couscous. Now, couscous, everybody thinks is a grain. Couscous is not a grain, it is a pasta. Is it super healthy for you? Not necessarily on its own, but it's made with something called semolina flour. And when we steam it a little bit or add a little bit of hot water to it, it's dry, it becomes soft, almost like a pasta consistency. You see that in my hand? In this recipe, we take the couscous, we add all of the spices in, and we kind of let it steep with that boiling water. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in all of those spices, turmeric, coriander, cinnamon. So here's some pepper. I added in some garlic and a little bit of lemon juice. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna toss this together here. With this is gonna go in some shredded carrots. So we added some raisins, we're adding some chickpeas, right? Those are the canned chickpeas. And we're also gonna add in some sliced almonds. It's gonna give it a little crunch. And then we got the fresh herbs in here. We have mint, parsley, dump it all in there. Salt and pepper, more salt. The heat of the pepper is gonna be up to you. We're gonna garnish with a little more chopped parsley. And here you are, our beautiful Moroccan couscous.